One more thing. This is not hard at all. What we're going to do, remember all those words that we did? Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make this just a little bit smaller. Make it a little easier for me to draw what I'm going to draw. And let's push it over to the side. What I'm going to draw, remember those words we did, secant, tangent, chord, and all that stuff? We didn't even talk about a secant and a tangent yet, have we? We're going to talk about a tangent right now. So remember, a tangent hits. Now, I'm not going to draw a tangent like that, am I? I'm going to make this so, does that look like it hits about right there? Yeah, pretty close. And let me just extend this out a little bit and just make sure it touches right there. Good. That's one tangent. What I'm going to do, from this point right here, I'm going to draw another tangent to the circle. Because I can draw more than one tangent. Am I going to go like that? Am I going to go like that? No, I'm going to go, tell me when. About right there. Do you agree? Alright, so look. This tangent hits the circle right here, hits the circle right here. By the way, we call this point right here the point of tangency. Point of tangency. I'm not going to write it down just because of time. Now, watch what happens. Let's call this point A, we'll call this B, and we'll call this C. Alright? Let me see, two tangents from point outside. Okay, watch. If this is a point outside the circle, alright, and if I draw a tangent to the circle here and a tangent to the circle here, tell me something just by the looks of it, alright, and you're probably right. Just by the looks of it, tell me something about AB and CB. What do you think might possibly be true? They are equal, exactly right, okay? They absolutely are equal, and they go through a little proof on this. We're not going to worry about that, just believe me, okay? So AB is going to equal what? CB. With me on that? It's pretty nice and easy. Alright, so if I have a point outside the circle, and if I draw a line segment from A to the point of tangency, remember we call that the point of tangency, that segment, AB, now we're not talking about the whole line now, are we? We're just talking about from A to B is going to be exactly the same from C to B. So you can obviously see that if they said that AB is 5, okay, it's not that hard. What's CB going to be? 5, thank you. Alright? Simple. You get it? Okay. Now, let me show you, we got a minute or two here. Yeah. Look at the bottom. Now, they do some examples in here, and we haven't done the examples. I basically just taught the lesson. So, what you should do is go through these examples, all right, because that would take another almost class period, all right, but I want you to go through the examples. It covers the same stuff that we've talked about. But they put real numbers in there, and you got to solve for x and all that kind of stuff. All right, but I will do this one down here on the bottom of page 86. If you're there, it's 11.5. You see it? Oops, don't want that. Want that. Okay, and let's do this. Let's draw a line here. I'm gonna draw. I might have to change some of my lengths, at least one of them. That's okay, just to get this to work out right. That looks good. Let's just change this length so it goes to right here. Alright, good. Here's the deal. Let's do this number. So this is x plus 4. This is 6. This is x. This is x plus y. Just hang on just a second. It won't take long. Now let's take a look at this. Watch. If I want to solve for x, let's solve for x right off the bat. Look, this is a point outside the circle, isn't it? This goes to here, and this goes to here. Tell me something about x plus 4 and 6. They're equal to each other. So what's x equal to? 2. So if this is 2, so that's 2, and that's 2. And this is going to be what? It's going to be 2 plus y equals 10, right? You see it? 2 plus y equals 10, y equals 8, then you're done. See how easy that is? Okay. Alright, lesson 11 needs to be finished by Monday. Alright, then we're going to move on, and that's it. We spent much too much time on this. Alright, so lesson 11 on Monday.